What's up, bros? So today I'm gonna be actually showing you guys how much we make during this summertime in a full day. So this right here is my first job of the day. And I also, before we get into that, I wanna show you guys a realistic day. It's hard, it's not easy. This is not I can make $1,000 in a day and I'm chilling. I look good right now, but by the end of the day, like yesterday, I left and I was so exhausted. I got home and just fell asleep. I was working from 9 till 7:30, 8 o'clock last night because everyone added windshields and it just got really busy. So today, I'm hoping it goes smoother. I already have 2 cars here dropped off. So first car of the day is the new Tesla Model S Plaid, I believe. And it's pretty sick. However, something went wrong already. The card actually slid into like this little area I can't get, but I'm gonna get to it later. But yeah, these people are super nice. They actually ended up choosing my full bundle package, which is $550. This is gonna get the 5% ceramic back half, 35% driver passenger, and the 50% windshield on the front. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna take me some time because Teslas always take time. And then I got a Toyota outside. So first job of the day, $550. I did get a security deposit, so now it's $498 because they already paid a deposit. And you boys need to get your deposits paid, okay? 2 hours is what I'm estimating this car will take me with the windshield. I have my soap, and I'm gonna apply the soap to the windshield and apply it to the back windshield and start this install process. So I am hoping 2 hours from right now. It's 10:13. Hopefully I'm done by 12:13. I have a 11 o'clock that I was supposed to start, but it's gonna start right around 12. So I'm gonna take my time. The 1 o'clock, I have this one was my 9, it's 10 right now, and then I have an 11, then I have a 1. Hopefully I'm done with the day by like 3 or 4. Fingers crossed. The next one is pretty easy car, so I'm gonna speed it up and get going because I wanna go to the gym after work. These jobs, guys, all about maybe, I know shops that do 15, 20 cars a day, but if they're not upselling, they're missing out on a lot of money. So today I'm selling 3 ceramic jobs. So that's 1,500 in one day, just because I know how to upsell the heat demo, right? I literally don't even sell. I show them and they pick. Yes, they like it, they don't like it. If they don't like it, I don't push it. If they have the budget for it, great. All it is blocking out more heat. So this one's getting ceramic, the next car's getting ceramic, and then the following car's getting ceramic. So let's get into it.
What's up, guys? I'm interrupting this video to let you know about our partner program, Thrive. Whether you're a window tinter, junk removal company, cleaning company, or any service-based business, you will want to hear about Thrive. Thrive is a secure, easy-to-use small business management platform that automates tasks and puts your customers at the center of your business. Thrive is helping 350,000 small business owners reach more customers by finding and communicating with customers at the right moment and the right way. Stay organized by managing your day and countersink automated reminders and conversations in one inbox. Get paid faster by accepting secure payments at low competitive rates from anywhere right when customers book and on the go. Thrive also automatically generates reviews by easily requesting reviews, and you can get notified instantly so you can respond. All from one place. And if you were like me, if you didn't know how to acquire leads, build a website, and had a bunch of different apps in order to run your business, then I highly recommend Thrive. I work directly with Kristen, my account rep, and she sets up my entire tinting business, so I'm easily found online and customers can book with me whenever they need my service. If you don't believe me, look at the thousands of 5-star reviews online from other business owners just like me. If you're interested, click the link in the description below and see if Thrive is right for you. Now, let's get back to the video.
All right, guys, so let me tell you guys something about these customers right here. So there's times, and if you guys are trades or in trades or work with clients or whatever, you'll know what I'm talking about. Maybe not, but I've worked with thousands of customers and one-on-one usually. So these guys are the perfect example of clients that are the best. They're so nice. They don't negotiate on price. They are very kind. They had a great attitude when they came in this morning. And I really appreciate customers like that because they make your job so much better. And I'm like literally doing this job and I'm trying to I always do my best, but whenever we have customers like this, I want to give it even more. I just want to keep giving more when I have people who are so kind. So, you know, yesterday, or actually I've had customers in the past where, you know, I do not deal with their bullshit. If they are rude to me or disrespectful, I won't even service them. And yesterday I did book a client that I got a bad vibe off of him. And I can get bad vibes off people like over the phone. Literally, if I talk to you for like a minute, even the way you say hello, I'm already judging who you are, how you are. Everything from a handshake to how you enter a room to if you park in front of the warehouse, like all these things are things that I've seen and they're patterns. So I did have this one guy and he asked me yesterday, and this is just an example. It may have just been a stupid comment he made, but it was just like, okay. He gave me a red flag, right? So he was like, and I may be wrong, but a lot of the times I'm usually right. But I actually had him fill out the waiver before I schedule him an appointment because as you guys, I maybe haven't explained on this channel yet, I have a waiver that actually prevents or helps me prevent people who are problematic, right? And that waiver is a digital waiver that you can actually scan on my, and I call it the shit test. It's basically a test to see if the customer is going to be a difficult person or not. And he passed the shit test, but he did say, oh, so if you go out of business, how am I gonna get this warranted? And I'm like, dude, like, I mean, it's a valid question, but it's just like, why? Why would you ask that? Like, I'm like, well, sir, the goal is to stay in business, and I survived through COVID, so I think I'll still be here in a couple of years. But yeah, it was just an awkward interaction, and I wasn't too excited about booking him, but I booked him for $550 ceramic. I had him sign that waiver. We'll see. Hopefully he's a cool guy, but he gave me bad vibes. I have my guard up with that guy, and I know I shouldn't, but I unfortunately do. So when I get customers like this, I love them, I appreciate them, and they make my job so much better. I'm in a way better mood when I'm servicing it. So I don't know if you guys can relate to that, but that's what happened to me today and yesterday. Look at this hair, Jesus. Well, let me fix this. Now, there we're talking. I'm looking like a homeless person now, guys. All right, quarter panels are done. Of course, you got to do the easiest windows first. That's what makes tinting easy. Then we do the hard ones. So let's go do the other quarter panels. Then we do the back windshield. Then we do the sides, the front, and then the windshield, because the windshield sucks. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys. So one more thing about that. Let me elaborate on that a little bit. By the way, guys, the customer is not always right. That's some bullshit, okay? That is how I used to run things back in the day, but now, no way. The customer is not always right. There is unrealistic, unreasonable, crazy ass people out there, and you need to have a way to protect yourself. I've had like 5 of them in 5 or 6 years. Some crazy ass, unrealistic people. The other day, and I'll make another story about this, I literally had a guy take his car, and it was a $6,000 job, $6,500 job, and I gave him his keys back, gave him back his deposit, because I knew for sure he was gonna be a problem. Like, completely knew for sure. This dude was just too much. And I sent him on his way. That sucks for me because I wanted to make $6,500, but I saved myself a lot of headache and stress. And see how I still have hair? That's because I tried to alleviate and get rid of the amount of stress that I have throughout the day, because I used to not do that, and I got really, like, my stomach was sick for months, and I just didn't know how to function a business and manage a business. So now that I know what I need to survive. It's a marathon. This is definitely a marathon. It is not a sprint. So do the things that are good long term. Don't take the money unless you really need it for shitty ass people like that. So let's get back into this. The customer is not always right. That was my point of that. right, guys, so here is a little tip for everyone. You want to make sure that you're using an actual install solution. So for example, instead of using Joy for the sides, you would use a Tint slide. So what I use, all right guys, so you want to put, I already put a couple seconds in, like 3 to 5 seconds of this. Make sure it's super slippery. Let's put like 1 more second. I like these solutions, guys, because they have a lot of alcohol, right? So if you use Joy, it's gonna not stick on the edges. So the only other thing that you can do to make this even better is to actually clean the window with alcohol and then go in with this. So that's my little tip for you guys. What's up, guys, and welcome to another commentary. So I like to do these videos and kind of give you guys a little bit of background on what's happening. So I'm doing my best to get these videos uploaded as quickly as possible, but I am a one-man operation right now. So it is hard to work all day, edit the videos and everything. So trying my best, guys. If you guys like the content, don't forget to click subscribe and notifications, and follow us on Instagram if you guys are interested. So this year's actually been pretty good. The winter was a little rough, but we're actually averaging between 800 to 1500 a day right now. And I'm trying to do about 3 cars a day, but I'm really focusing on being as efficient as possible. It is difficult to be extremely efficient as a one-man operation. You actually have to like really walk through each step of what you're doing and be as efficient as possible. And I'll walk you guys through every single time that I find something that makes it faster. So right now I'm building out a little cart. And this little cart will have like my keg attached to it. It's gonna have like all my tools really nice and organized, and microfibers. It's gonna have everything that I could possibly need, like even like an iPad that's gonna be up and on display. So the goal is, how can we be in and out of the shop as quickly as possible with the best results possible and the least amount of stress and wasted time possible. So that's what I'm trying to do. If we can average $1,000 a day, I'd be super happy with that. And the only way to do that is to be efficient, fast, and not waste time on meaningless tasks, right? So like every time you have to leave to go find another micro or walk 20 steps to grab another tool, you're wasting a lot of valuable time. And as any other installer knows, you feel good when the day starts, but as the day keeps going, especially if it's hot, you're gonna slowly decrease, and before you know it, a 6-hour day just turned into a 10-hour day because you are just all over the place. Some cars are easier than others, and especially when you get like Teslas like this, you want to be efficient because it's not a hard car, but it just takes so much detail and time. And so yeah, anything you can do to save time is going to be awesome. Like right now I'm working on buying a headset, like a Bluetooth headset that has a lot of noise cancellation. So if there's noises in the shop, customers don't hear me talking to people. Right now I just pick up my phone and answer. And it's like the worst thing because it wastes time. I don't get to focus on the install. I have to be on the phone. So having the iPad on my little cart next to me, having all my tools next to me, and that way it's also not on my waist and my apron, I would definitely like it a lot. So I hope you guys like this video. We did end up doing, I believe, $14.50 for the day. The truck got full ceramic. The car next, which is that little red car, got carbon $325, and the Tesla got $550. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys can replicate this as well and you're learning something. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, guys, so it is currently a heat wave right now, so it's very hot, and I have about 35 minutes left of recording time on this camera. So we're on the 3rd job of the day. Been a really good day so far, just really hot. And I've got this guy over here. He picked him up off the side of the road. He's gonna be helping me out today. I think his name's Jose Jalapeno. And say hi, Jose. No, so he's like he rents space here, but he helps me out time to time, and so we're doing some tint. So this is getting the carbon guys all the way around for $325, and yeah, time to install.